Hello guys, this is another chapter, another chapter in building the Yezdi. So this is an XPulse T-stem, factory T-stem, completely unaltered, which is made to sit on Yezdi chassis, completely unaltered, company fit. Okay, so how it is done? Okay, let me start from the start. The top nut. If you are doing the same setup, this will be the hardest thing to buy, I guess, the top nut, because this specific nut doesn't come in single pieces. It comes in a bunch of 50 packets, 50 in a pack, and no company in Bangalore is ready to order it. I've inquired it everywhere, in every major spares outlet in Bangalore, and there's no availability for this nut. You have to go to Shivaji Nagar or get it some. You have to make some jugaad for this. Okay. After this comes the top plate. Yeah, this is the top plate where the factory XPulse shock absorber will be getting mounted on. And this top plate you can purchase it from company. I think it's around 1.1k or 1.2k. Okay, this is a factory top plate. And coming to the next important thing, the steering nut. Yeah, coming to the steering nut. Yeah, this you don't have to do anything. The original Yezdi steering nut will fit on this T-stem. Okay, no alteration need to be done. This is the original Yezdi. You can see it clearly, I guess. Original Yezdi steering nut. Yeah. On top of it, you need the original Yezdi bearing plate, or you can have a XPulse 1 too. No problem with it. But the XPulse 1 OD, I think it has some 2 mm clearance. So you have to go to the lathe shop and get it milled by some 2 mm, like shorten the dia, and it will have perfect fit. Yeah. And after this comes the 1 minute. After this comes the bearing. This Yezdi has its own set of bearing balls which you can put, or you can purchase one from XPulse and just put it on, because these things will be held together in place by a plastic and you will get grease with this pack also. Yeah. And then this is a factory XPulse T-stem. You need not alter it. It will fit as it is. Yeah. And this is a bottom steering system which is provided by the XPulse company. You can purchase it anywhere in the store. And yeah, this contains this contains the top plate, the bearing, and the bottom plate of the bearing. Okay. And last jugaad you need to do is, you need to have a 5 to 6 mm gap over here, so that the original Yezdi has a shorter T-stem, but the XPulse has a longer T-stem. So you need to have a spacer below, so that you will get that height. For that spacer, what I have done is, when you purchase the whole bearing kit for the T-stem, you will get one top layer, another a top wala, your top plate, bottom plate, and a top plate at the top of the T-stem. You can just add this thing to the bottom, just as a spacer, and this is around 6 or 7 mm in length, and you need just 6 or 7 mm exactly. That's the boost you need. And this is the original T-stem. This is how, once again I will assemble it and show it to you. And the three components over here go just like this, and you insert it like this on the Yezdi chassis. There is one other small alteration which you might need to check out for, just for clearance issues. And same as I mentioned, the oh, yeah, the bearing, the bearing top plate from Yezdi, the bearing thread from Yezdi. This is just for video reference. I'm just putting it just like that without any grease also. You should add grease to this system to make it a proper fit. And this is the top plate, factory top plate. Yeah, this goes in just like that, and the top plate. This guys, let me show this plane. I haven't tightened it fully yet. You can see it works. It works, guys. It fucking works. Uh, and the small adjustment which you might need to do is there's a little bit of clearance issue over here. This is the Yezdi lock thing which you get, handlebar lock, this thing, and there's this bottom of this XPulse T-stem. I think you can cut this lock as you don't have any work of it. And there might be another clearance issue or here, 1 minute, yeah, there's something, some metal, this thing over here for the structural support, I guess. Yeah, or I think it's for the internal wiring, I don't know much. This thing you can just cut it up, I guess. Yes, so that you have a free play. Yeah, this is it, guys. This is how you can have XPulse Rally Pro Edition forks on Yezdi original chassis. Yeah, this is an Yezdi original chassis, as you can see.